you are sacrificing for this hustle.
Okay.
Unajinyima kupeana huko. Prioritize yourself. Follow. Kama mimi, I learned from a guy who kitambo when I was young. If you invest in yourself, they come. Spend more on yourself to prove you have money. Like I think 22 or 23 when I bought a big car. As much as it required deni, I took myself to Milimani. I bought a big car. So I don't have to prove to you that I have money. You will see it on me. Utaiona. And then ukieniacha zinabaki na mimi. But when now I have to prove to you I have money by acha nikulipia rent ya 3 months. Hiyo simu yako iko screen ni pesa ngapi? Acha nikureplace simu. So I'm trying to prove to you that I have money by spending on you. Spend on yourself. Spend on yourself, you will have it easy. You will spend less on them when you spend more on yourself. Look good, buy a better thing. Mnyime. Ataona kwako atakuja tu mbio.
Good Lord. Uncle alisema you lose money chasing women, but you don't lose women by chasing money.